Want to give your Windows 11 a fresh new look? In this video, I will show you an amazing washing inspired Windows 11 customization gives your desktop a clean, relaxing and modern style. We will install a beautiful custom theme, a stylish icon, a redesigned start menu and a modern taskbar to create a smooth washing inspired setup. Every step is easy to follow so you can customize your Windows 11 without any confusion. By the end of this tutorial, your desktop will look completely different and feel more premium. This is what your Windows 11 will look like at the end of this video. So if you love clean and unique desktop setup, stay with until the end and let's start customizing your Windows 11 with this beautiful washing inspired design. Before we start, create a restore point. This will let you restore your Windows if anything goes wrong during the customization process. Windhawk required an internet connection during installation. Make sure you are connected to the internet before installing it. Click Browse for mods. Unzip Ocean Wave for Windows 11 theme. Go to Windhawk. Taskbar height and icon size. Install it. Advanced. Open theme folder. Taskbar height and icon size. Select all. Copy it. And paste it here. And click Save. Customize your taskbar height and adjust the icon size for clear look. Now install Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. Click Install. Go to folder. Open this script. Select all and copy it. Go to Advanced and paste it here. Click Save. Customize your taskbar with a modern design, transparent effect and a clear appearance. Now install Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Go to folder. Open it. Select all and copy it. Go to Advanced. Paste it here and click Save. Your start menu a modern design with a clear, stylish and customized appearance. Now set the included wallpaper to give your desktop a better, cleaner and more polished look. Okay, now install Windows 11 File Explorer Styler. Install it. Setting. Theme. Minimal Explorer 11. And click Save Setting. Customize File Explorer with a modern design, improved appearance and a clear interface. And finally install Translation Windows to add a transparency effect and give your Windows interface a smooth modern look. Go to Setting and turn off Windows Theme Custom Rendering because the custom theme storage drive is not showing properly. Extract this folder. Cut this folder. This PC. Paste it inside your C drive. Open this folder. Theme tool. Run as administrator. 2 boxes and click install. Click yes, but I have installed. Open this theme folder. Windows 11 theme. Copy it. This PC. C drive. Windows. Resources. Theme. And paste it here. Click continue. Open again C drive. Go to SecureX theme folder. Theme tool. Run as administrator. Click OK. Click theme and apply it. Enjoy the beautiful new look of your Windows 11 customization. Open Windhawk again and search for resources redirect. Install it. Then open the theme folder. Go to icon pack folder. Copy the icon pack folder. Open documents. Create a new folder, name icon pack and paste it here. Right click the folder and select copy as path. Now open Windhawk. Setting. Scroll down to the theme paths and paste the path here. Remove the quotation marks from the path. Then click Save Setting. Now the icon pack is ready. If some icons are not working properly, don't worry, we fixed them in the next steps. Turn on Disable Folder Thumbnails and click Save Setting. Click Yes to confirm. Now the icons should working properly. Now open Task Manager and search for Windhawk to check its RAM uses. It only uses around 2.8 MB of memory. Make it very lightweight and efficient. That's it for today's Windows 11 customization. I hope you enjoyed this Washington-inspired setup. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next customization video.